is one we did for a bunch of synagogues. So we do a lot of stuff in the Jewish community down in New York, Manhattan, and in that area. So they needed, for religious reasons, a door and output schedule to change based on the sunset on Friday. Which, depending on the time of year, is going to change by a minute or more a week. So instead of the rabbi having to log into the system and modify the door schedule, we decided we figured we could help better by automating it for him. So that's what we did. So this will send a web request to a third-party API called Sunrise Sunset. It will pass in the latitude, longitude in this web request, and then we will take the response from that web request and then parse it and do stuff with it. So not only can we send requests to third-party systems, but we can take the response, parse it, and do stuff based on the feedback, whether it's, the temperature of, outside, if there's a school closure, or in this case here, when the sun is going to set. So after we take that information, we're going to parse it. We can do math, arithmetic, and that kind of thing on it to convert that data to something more friendly to our API. And then finally, we're going to log into our own Opian API and then adjust the door schedule on the fly. So again, a really interesting use case that we were able to handle very well with very little cost and no cost to the integrator that was using this.